Hey, I'm Blake Scarlevi with Route 16. I've got another release wave feature to show off for you. So this one is in Power Automate. It's really quick feature to show off, but it's something that's been a pretty big pain point in Power Automate for a long time. As you can see here on the documentation, it's been in GA since April 9th, so it's been almost a couple months now, so there's a good chance you've seen it if you've been in Power Automate. It is in the newer UI for Power Automate, so make sure you switch over to that. But it's basically improving usability in the expression editor, so just gives us a bit more room to write expressions, but then it also has like the color coding syntax that if you're a developer, something that we're used to with any sort of IDE, Visual Studio, whatnot. So let's take a look. So first I'm going to show the same flow in the old UI and then the new UI. And so this flow, I just have a simple Boolean that gets passed in, true or false. And this won't really make much sense, but it's just something to show off. So if you remember in the old UI, this is what we're used to. We get this tiny little box here. I'm zoomed in a bit, so it's even tinier, but it's still pretty tiny in general. And if you're trying to do things like if statements, for example, and this is a fairly simple if statement. So if you're getting crazier with nested if statements, you know how much of a pain this is to just try to figure out what's actually happening. And it's just really hard to type. You definitely are using like Notepad or something else probably to build it and then put it back into here. Um, so it's kind of a pain. But now, if we flip over to the new UI, we take a look here. We look at the expression, so we get this nice bigger text box. I can zoom in here a little bit. Maybe might be all the way that it allows. And then we can expand this a little bit more. It also allows you to drag it even bigger if needed. But the next thing you can notice as well is just the color coding to help figure out like what is a function, what's like a constant, like these true false values are in different colors. And if you're just like nesting if statements and other conditions like equals, for example, it just makes things a lot easier. You can do multiple lines. So just so much better. Definitely been waiting on this for a while. It has other features too, like pasting the last used expression that you have, and then also like the Copilot, asking Copilot for help writing expressions as well. So this is definitely something we've been waiting for a while. So it's live now. It's been GA for a couple months. Just make sure you're using the new UI and Power Automate. So hope that helps, and thanks for watching.